Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit on that subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide and open the sidebar. This is perfect for when you want to maximize your workspace or simply clean up your interference. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, let's take a quick look at what the sidebar is in Deepseek. The sidebar houses all the tools and options you use to navigate the app, like your recent searches, save items, and more. To hide the sidebar, you just need to open up the Deepseek app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now in the home page, you will see two horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it and the sidebar will instantly show up on your screen. Now to remove the sidebar, you just have to swipe it right back to the left corner and the sidebar will slide back in. It's super easy and that's it. Now you know how to easily hide and open the sidebar in the Deepseek app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit on that like, share and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.